100 Cameras is a nonprofit organization that equips youth to learn how to process and tell their stories through photography, ultimately impacting not only how they view themselves, but also their roles in their own community. We work alongside local organizations truly all around the world. We're at about a 50% stateside and then about 50% internationally. Oftentimes I get asked, how do we work with over 100 educators around the world in programs? And it really comes down to systems and templates. And that is exactly what Adobe Express enables us to do.
Being able to share about what we're doing in real time, quickly, beautifully, effectively, is in many ways the difference between our work being successful or not. What I'm finding Adobe Express has added for me is like a wealth of knowledge and resources that are easy to use, intuitive to use, fun to use. We've seen so many stories told from what we might call an outsider's perspective, sort of looking in at a community or in at a story. And I was just so moved by hearing and seeing a story directly from the people who are living it and who are impacted by it. We hear from them, we hear that they want the world to know what their life looks like. They want the world to know how they see the world, what they experience. An image can do that in an instant. The more we are able to communicate about what we do, the more we are able to do it. Adobe Express allows us to do that in a way that is poignant and beautiful.